Welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 17th May 2017. International Lead and Zinc Study Group ILZSG in its recent update have forecasted that global demand for refined zinc would exceed in the supply in 2017. Thus, the trend of deficit in the zinc market would continue for a second consecutive year with deficit amounting to 226,000 tons. Thus, the group is expecting zinc prices to increase in 2017. Treatment charges, which are an indicator for zinc concentrates availability, was at the lowest in the last 10 years in 2017 at $172 per ton, indicating supply shortage for zinc concentrates. Treatment charges data of global miners shows a 15% decline from the last year's benchmark of $203 per ton and was the lowest since 2006. Zinc stocks held at the LME are down 18% so far this year to 347,200 tons, while SHFE zinc inventories have declined 35.6% since the start of the year, standing at 1,350 tons, reveals tightening of zinc supplies in 2017. However, due to rally in zinc prices since 2016, investors are finding investments at current level unattractive. Investor sentiment are strongly influenced by Chinese stance on curtailing risky credit business and decreasing purchasing manager index for the month of April. LME 3-month zinc prices have increased by 1% during intraday trade to quote at $2,575 per ton. The US Department of Commerce imposed anti-dumping duty on imports of steel reinforcements bar from Japan after investigations revealed that it was sold at unfair prices in the United States. Thus, according to the decision, Japanese exporters including Jonan Steel and Kyoei Steel could face an anti-dumping duty of 206.43% to 209.46%. Turkish exporters who sold steel reinforcement bars in the United States have received unfair government subsidies of 16.21% and would also face anti-subsidy duties of the same margin. In international offers, Turkish origin steel rebars are being offered at $450 per metric ton on FOB basis at Jebel Ali port. Ukrainian origin copper wire scrap of 99.99% purity is being offered at $4,200 per ton on CIF basis. Metals Update assessed offers of MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh market is Rs 21,000 per ton. Fresh scrap is being offered at 23,500 rupees per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh decreased by 150 rupees and were currently quoting at 27,750 rupees per ton. The offers of MS ingots at Raipur market were at 23,600 rupees per ton, while for Muzaffarnagar it was 26,200 rupees per ton. Thank you for listening. Do join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. If you wish to advertise your product on this video, please contact us at info@metalsupdate.com. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.